Happy holidays, everyone. Welcome back to Best Laid Plans. This is our last spread for the entire year for 2023, and it's our Christmas week spread as well. And I am just blown away that the year's almost gone, or it is gone actually. I feel like it went really fast, but I feel like it was a really fun year, and I wanted to do a fun, unique take on a Christmas week spread. And for this season, at least, I have been really getting into cheesy, like, holiday rom-com movies. I know there's like 400 of them. They have the same plot every single time, but we love them. So what I wanted to do for Christmas week is to kind of celebrate the trope-heavy, overdone holiday rom-com. And I have a few different kits and things I'm going to be mixing and matching to do that. So for my Christmas aesthetic here, my holiday aesthetic, I have these that I have from Funky Plans. And it is just this beautiful kind of winter fancy floral with some boxes and things that I think will set the tone really well. So that is the first thing that I pulled. And the next thing is going to be these two kits. These are just the mini kits full boxes from the Planner's World. And this is just these like two love stories, but it's like the couples look the same. So what I'm going to do is sort of just mix and match from these two kits our little romance scenes and have them kind of tell the story throughout the spread of the couple. So I pulled both of those. This is On Wednesday in a Cafe, and this is Starlight from the Planner's World. I have also pulled some washi tape that I think will match, well. That is what I have pulled for this week. And what I would like to do is get started with the framing, which is going to be these actually rather than the washi. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started with these boxes here. So let's go. I'm going to save these little deco pieces to use after we put down our thematic stickers, but basically we've got this really pretty border here, and then we've got our different boxes. I only have a few things going on this week other than like Christmas and New Year's, so I am going to probably not have that much to write in other than like basic household chores and things like that, and then like logging things like reading and things. So I did want to take one of these trackers from this is the kit that I'm using for the monthly spread. No, I have not done the monthly spread yet. I kind of wavered with what I wanted to do, and I decided to go ahead with this kit from the Planner's World that's Art Nouveau themed. But I am going to take from that kit this Bill Do sticker here, just to add some red in. And go ahead and put that here. And then I also, from that same kit, wanted to do this red exercise tracker, this habit tracker here. So, and I'm going to add that down here. Now I am going to go to our Hallmark story that we're creating with our different deco boxes and things, and I am going to start with this character here who is walking with her headphones in. And have her here. And then I think I'll have our guy character here. Maybe he got jilted. We don't know, but he's kind of just walking alone in the starlight. So they're both maybe about to have a meet cute. I have the cafe here. And there's our meet cute for our couple in our Hallmark movie. Or Lifetime movie, whichever. You have many choices with Christmas rom-coms. So there they are there, and I have this kind of outdoor scape here, which is also a functional deco box. And we have them walking together. And then I have this here. Festive deco box. And then maybe they meet up again at the New Year's party and live happily ever after. So there we have our little holiday love story going on. And now I want to go in with washi, and I'm looking, and you know, sometimes I change my mind about what washi I want to use depending on kind of what's going on with the spread. And I feel like with this particular spread, I want to use this washi and also this washi. So I'm going to forego the pink trees. They're very pretty, but they are not for this spread. Sometimes you just have to change your mind once you see the finished product. So I am going to add this washi here along at the top. Now I'm going to go along the bottom with this washi tape that has mistletoe, which is very appropriate for our Hallmark couple. I'm going to take a couple of these poinsettia headers from the Art Nouveau one from the Planner's World that I'm using later for the monthly, and I'm going to just have them on either side here of our couple to add a little bit of red again into the spread. So there we have our washi, and we have our stickers from our kits down, and now I'm going to go in and add some of these snowflakes and the rest of this deco stickers from the Funky Plans kits. So that's next. Okay, so now we have our snowflakes and everything else down. This is looking so romantic and magical. I love the story that's being told. You know, I love telling stories with spreads, so this was perfect. I love it. Let's see what else I have here. I just got some cute holiday stuff from According to Allie. And I think I'm going to use this present here for Christmas. And then this cute cup of cocoa for New Year's Eve. And this snowman is adorable. I am going to, I think, put them here because it just makes sense there. And then from Stick with Catie, I got this freebie with my last order, and it has this Merry Christmas sticker, and I love her. I love her script. Like her like fashion stickers and her illustrations are amazing as well, but I love her scripts as well. So I just buy all her stuff. Just buy all her things. And I will leave all the shops that I used, even if it was just like a small sticker for this spread, in the description box, so you have those links. I'm going to put this here for Merry Christmas. And I think we are finally done with this spread. It is, I think, just a beautiful, simple love story. And I love how it came together. And I just think it is beautiful and romantic and wintry and the perfect end to the year. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Next week I will have a journaling video. I'll do the rest of December, and then we're going to start into New Year's planning and my planner lineup and all of that fun stuff that everybody loves. So I will have those videos coming soon. I'm very excited. I'm doing some new things with planner setup next year, so stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram at Valkyrie Plans for more pictures, spreads, and videos, and I will catch you all next week. Have a very happy holiday and a happy new year. Bye!